ఇప్పటిదాకా మనం డిస్కస్ చేసిన మెయిన్స్ 2021 వెక్టార్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆర్ రిలేటెడ్ టు rotations, projections, collinear and coplanar vectors. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం డిస్కస్ చేయబోతున్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని కూడా రిలేటెడ్ టు డాట్ ప్రొడక్ట్ అండ్ క్రాస్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద వెక్టార్స్. ఓకే, వెరీ సింపుల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. See, for this problem, a bar, vector a bar is given 3 components, ijk components mention చేశారు క్వశ్చన్లో. వెక్టార్ b bar ఇచ్చారు, వెక్టార్ c bar. So a bar, b bar, c bar are 3 vectors and whose ijk components are clearly mentioned. Okay, and see, modulus of b cross c is 5 root 3. Also a bar is perpendicular to b bar. Our task is to find the greatest possible value of mod a bar square. Okay, సో స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయిన కండిషన్స్ అని మనం యూజ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనం సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ a bar perpendicular to b bar, then so first we need to find alpha value, okay, which is missed in this a bar, and then beta value. After that we need to get the value of mod a bar square. That's the part. A bar is perpendicular to b bar. See, since a bar is perpendicular to b bar, angle between those two vectors is 90 degrees, and we know cos 90 is 0. Since cos theta is 0, dot product between those two vectors is 0, and so a bar dot b bar is 0. See, a bar dot b bar 0. See how to apply dot product between two vectors. It is the sum of the corresponding coefficients 1 and 1 whose product is 1. See, 5 and 3 whose product is 15 plus alpha and beta whose product is alpha beta, that is equals to 0. So from there we have alpha beta is equals to minus 16. This is one relation with us. Okay, we need modulus of a bar square. That means we need a bar vector clearly. So we require alpha. For that we need to find beta also, because alpha into beta is minus 16. Now to find beta, use this given condition. Modulus of b cross c is 5 root 3. So first try to find b cross c and then apply modulus for the d cross c. So I think we all know finding b cross c, ijk, and then coefficients of b 1, 3, beta, coefficients of c bar minus 1, 2, minus 3. Okay, so first b cross c vector find చేసి తర్వాత దాని magnitude calculate చేసి 5 root 3 కి ఈక్వల్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. దట్స్ అవర్ పార్ట్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు, సో I, and then minus 9 minus 2 beta, right? Minus 9 minus 2 beta into I, and then minus j of minus 3 minus of minus plus beta. So beta minus 3 plus k bar into 2 minus of minus plus 3. So 5k. This is b cross c. And then modulus of b cross c is 5 root 3. Okay, since this modulus of b cross c is 5 root 3, from there apply magnitude for this. We will get square root of the sum of the squares of these coefficients, and 5 root 3 కూడా square చేస్తే square root eliminate చేయొచ్చు. So minus 9 minus 2 beta is nothing but 9 plus 2 beta. 9 plus 2 beta square plus beta minus 3 whole square plus 5 square is equals to 5 root 3 square, which is 25 3s, and that is 75. Okay, so దీన్ని మనం సింప్లిఫై చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. Right, if we simplify this, we will get two values for beta, and those two values are minus 4 or minus 2. You just try to simplify. So ఈ సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే బీటాలో క్వాడ్రాటిక్ వస్తుంది. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టూ వాల్యూస్ ఫర్ బీటా, minus 4 or minus 2. ఈ minus 4 or minus 2 ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తే we will get alpha. So beta minus 4 యూజ్ చేస్తే alpha value is again 4, and beta minus 2 యూజ్ చేస్తే alpha value is 8. Okay, and we need the greatest possible value of mod a bar square. So we will fix with this 8. So replace 8 here. So this is 8k bar. So modulus of a bar square is nothing but, so this square just removes the square root involved in the magnitude, and mod a bar square is sum of the squares of this. So 1 square plus 5 square plus 8 square. So on simplification we will get the answer. Okay, what it is, 26 and 64, 26 90. Okay, and that's the answer. So problem is very simple, just involves with dot product and cross product. So another simple problem, here it involves with dot product, cross product. See, not only cross product, it involves with scalar triple product. ఇక్కడ ఎట్లాగో క్రాస్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఎక్కడ లేదు, a dot b b dot c dot product ఉంది along with a cross b dot c, which is nothing but what, scalar triple product, right? See, a cross b is a vector, c bar is a vector, and dot product between these two vectors results a scalar, so we call it as a scalar triple product, right? Finally we need to calculate this a cross b dot c. Okay, first of all, see, a bar is one vector, b bar is another vector, c bar is a third vector, and for those three vectors components I, j, k are given. But when we observe, for a bar alpha beta, j component and k component are unknown. For b bar, again beta alpha involved, c bar also involves with alpha. So first our task is to find alpha beta. To find alpha beta we have three relations here. One thing is alpha beta are integers, and two more, a dot b is -1, b dot c is 10. First of all, use this a dot b -1, a dot b -1. So dot product, simply multiply the corresponding coefficients. Okay, 1 into 3 is 3, and then minus alpha into beta, minus alpha beta, beta into minus alpha beta. 3 minus alpha beta is equals to -1. So when we simplify this, we will get what? Alpha beta is equals to 4. This is one relation with us using a bar dot b bar -1. And one more thing is b bar dot c bar. So then b ki c ki dot product, and that is 10. So 3 and minus alpha, minus 3 alpha, beta and -2, -2 beta, minus alpha and 1, minus alpha. This is given as 10. Okay, so ఈ two relations use చేసి మనం alpha beta values fix చేయాలి. -4 alpha, -2 beta is equals to 10. Okay, and one more thing, alpha beta integers కాబట్టి just go with a guess. Okay, because alpha beta are integers. So since these two are negatives, we need to make it positive. Okay, what I will take it is 4 2s is 8. Okay, so yeah, 2 4s. We need to get the value of alpha and beta, and they are integers, right? So ఎలా find out చేయొచ్చు?
Sir, alpha beta is equals to 2 well, sir.
Alpha beta is equals to, okay, 2 alpha beta is equals to 4, and so alpha beta is equals to 2. So now మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు, alpha is equals to -2 and beta is equals to -1 తీసుకోవచ్చు. So alpha -2 beta -1 అయితే these two are integers which satisfies these two. Okay, so ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర a bar అనే వెక్టర్ క్లియర్ గా ఉంది, b bar ఉంది, c bar ఉంది. a cross b dot c is nothing but what, box abc, which means scalar triple product, that in turn represents the determinant of the coefficients of this. Okay, here 1 minus alpha beta, that means 1 minus alpha ante 2, and then beta ante -1. Second vector b bar, 3 beta minus alpha, 3 beta is -1, minus alpha is 2. And the next thing is c bar, minus alpha is 2 and -2 and then 1. This determinant is the box ABC, scalar triple product of three vectors, which is nothing but a cross b dot c, and that determinant is the required value. And on simplification we will get this answer as 9. So another problem of the same type. Okay, ఇది కూడా JEE Mains 2021 అడిగిన ప్రాబ్లమే. ఇందాకట ప్రాబ్లం ఎలా చేసామో యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ అలానే చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఆల్ఫా బీటా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం, a cross b dot c అంటే బాక్స్ scalar triple product of abc, and then that value divided by 3, that's it. Okay, సో ఇందాక ప్రాబ్లం కంటే కొద్దిగా డిఫరెంట్, బట్ అగైన్ సేమ్ లాజిక్కే ప్రొసీడ్ అవ్వాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఇనిషియల్లీ a bar and b bar are two given vectors, and c bar is a vector which is perpendicular to both a and b. Since c bar is perpendicular to both a and b, ఓకే, ఏ టూ వెక్టార్స్కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉండే వెక్టర్ ఏ డైరెక్షన్లో ఉంటుంది, ఏ క్రాస్ బి డైరెక్షన్లో ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ సి బార్ అనేది ఏకి బికి పర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంది కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏబికి పర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉండే వెక్టార్ డైరెక్షన్లో ఉండే వెక్టార్ కనుక్కోవాలి. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ క్రాస్ బి. ఓకే, సో ఏ క్రాస్ బి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలిగితే అప్పుడు సి బార్ని మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు. యూజువల్లీ సిన్స్ సి బార్ ఈస్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు ఏ బార్ అండ్ బి బార్, we will write that C bar and A cross B are parallel. So C bar is equals to lambda A cross B is the line what we require to solve the problem. So for that first we need A cross B. Okay, so A cross B is nothing but vector product. So use determinant ijk and then A bar 1 1 minus 1, B bar 1 2 1. So this solve cheste 1 minus of minus 2 is plus 3, so 3i. Next 1 minus of minus 1 is plus 2, so that means minus 2j, and the next thing is 2 minus 1, so k bar. So A cross B is 3i minus 2j plus k. Since this is A cross B, so finally what you say about C bar, which is lambda times of this, so which is nothing but 3 lambda I bar minus 2 lambda j bar plus lambda k bar. So this is C bar. Another condition is that C bar dot this is 8. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ల్యాండా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇది C బార్, ఇంకో వెక్టార్తో డాట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ అప్లై చేస్తే 8 జనరేట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి సో ఏం చేయొచ్చు, 3 lambda ఇంటూ దిస్ I కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1, దట్ మీన్స్ 3 lambda minus 2 lambda ఇంటూ దిస్ J కోఎఫిషియంట్ minus 2 lambda and then plus lambda into this 3 plus 3 lambda is equals to 8. 3 plus 3 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 lambda is equals to 8 and lambda is equals to 2. Finally lambda is equals to 2. Now what we need to find? We need to calculate C bar dot A cross B. See C bar dot A cross B. What is C bar? C bar is lambda A cross B. Okay, that means lambda A cross B means 2 times of A cross B, right? So finally మనకి ఇది కావాలి. So this C bar dot A cross B is required for us finally. This is equals to C bar is 2 times of A cross B dot A cross B. Okay, so A cross B మన దగ్గర ఉంది కదా, A cross B dot A cross B is nothing but magnitude of this A cross B only. Okay, so this is equal along with the square, so this is equals to 2 into A cross B dot A cross B is magnitude of A cross B square, that means square root of the sum of the coefficient square. So 2 into 3 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, 9 plus 1 10 plus 4 14 into 2 is 28 and that 28 is the final answer. Okay, so ఇక్కడ మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది C bar is a vector perpendicular to A bar and B bar అయితే we need to identify that C bar is lambda times of A cross B. That's it.